Starting a keto diet involves making significant changes to your eating habits. The keto diet involves reducing your carbohydrate intake and increasing your fat intake to promote ketosis, a metabolic state where your body uses fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. Here are some steps to help you start a keto diet. Educate yourself. Before starting a keto diet, it's important to educate yourself about what the diet entails and the benefits and potential risks associated with it. You can do this by reading books, articles, or consulting a healthcare professional. Calculate your macros. To achieve ketosis, you will need to consume a high amount of healthy fats, moderate amounts of protein, and very few carbohydrates. You can calculate your macros using an online calculator that takes into account your age, weight, height, and activity level. Plan your meals. Plan your meals in advance to ensure that you are consuming the right amount of macros. Focus on whole foods that are high in healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and fatty fish. Track your progress. Use a food diary or a tracking app to monitor your macronutrient intake and track your progress. This will help you adjust your diet as needed and ensure that you are staying on track. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, as the keto diet can be dehydrating. You may also need to supplement with electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Be patient. It can take some time for your body to adapt to the keto diet, and you may experience some initial side effects, such as fatigue, headache, and nausea. However, these usually subside within a few days to a week. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions.